Hey everybody, April here, coming at you from a different angle. I thought I'd try something different because why not? I wanted to do a Dutch pour today. Excuse me, and I'm losing my voice. So I wanted to do a Dutch pour today, and I thought coming in from overhead with the video was cool, but I don't know. I was kind of like looking for something different today. So I think this will be cool for you guys to be able to see me blowing with the blow dryer. So I'm gonna do a half and half one on this little tiny canvas, and we'll see how it turns out. So first I gotta flood my canvas. And I'm gonna use this beautiful turquoise color for my other half. And pardon the loudness, I'm gonna see if I can't blow this around a little bit. Not looking for straight lines here either, I don't really care. So, I think I blew my gloves right off the table. So I'm gonna go around here and just make sure all of my sides have color on them, because this paint is very much watered down and I wanna make sure I have good coverage all over. And of course, when I blow this out, after I put the colors on, it's gonna cover these sides a little bit better. But okay, green is good. Let's make sure white is good. White's so much harder because I can't tell. I touched that part with my green finger. We're okay. I'm good. Everything's good. Okay. Okay. This looks fabulous. All right. That off. All right. So I have a bunch of dark colors and a couple of light ones to work with here. So I'm trying to think, what do I want to do first? So I have a blue that is really, really gorgeous. And I don't want to put too much on here. I have a red that I want to use. This is a metallic red. And I have a really, really, really dark purple that I thought would be really cool. So I had to find colors that would stand out on both the green side and the white side. And this is what I came up with. So I also have, this is a really like light blue. I don't want too much of that though. I have a metallic black that I also do not want too much of, so we're gonna go real careful on that one. I might go back through here with blue, because that blue's kind of buried. this little tiny canvas, I think that's gonna be more than enough to blow with the blow dryer. All right, you ready for this? Here we go. Oh, can you see some of that? Some of the stuff happening there? Oh, some of that is really pretty. I like the shape of this. This is really cool. Trying to look and see if there's anything that I want to blow with a straw. And I don't know that I do. This is kind of bothering me here. Let's see. I don't want to screw it up. Nerve-wracking. The shape of this bothers me. I dislike that. I really don't like that. I like that better. It's a little better. That's cool. Woo! Here. Is there anything else I don't like? Nope, I'm not gonna touch it. I have a really bad habit of touching these things too much. So let me bring you down for the ever popular close-up. So here's what we got from above. What you think? I think that there's some really beautiful stuff happening in here. I'm debating on whether or not I want to torch this or just leave it do what it's already doing, because it's already doing some really cool stuff. I might torch a little, maybe not. No, because like, look at beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna torch. I'm gonna let this kind of sit and do its own thing, because I think it came out really, really awesome. Let's see what it looks like from this angle. This red splotch kind of bothers me. I think I'll live with it. Yeah, I think this is beautiful. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And if you'd like to see me attempt maybe a larger version of this, it's very hard to do these on a small canvas because you blow and it doesn't really have anywhere to go. So you tend to cover a lot of the canvas, but I think I have some good negative space. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time.